Joffre, paumanhin. Ngunit anong ginagawa niyo rito? Papunta na kami sa punong bulwagan.
Hindi na ako makapaghintay pa. Nais ko na makita ang magbibigay katuparan sa aking mga plan.
Eto na! Si Namazuka!
Agilagi-lalas.
Joffre!
Medyo nahuli ko sabihin sa inyo, pero talagang malakas ang kapangyarihan ni Namazuka kaya huwag kayo masyadong lalapit.
Sige na, Masuka! Wasakin mo si Voltes 5! At kapag nangyari yun, mapapas sa atin ang buong Terra Erto.
Voltes team! Suit up!
O Jimmy!
Si Steve!
Attention. Both machines launch expected. Attention. Both machines launch expected. Attention. Both machines launch expected.
Peace fighter, dead ahead.
Ano ba yan? Kakaiba naman yung form ng Beast Fighter na to.
Ito yan eh! Ay nako, nagugutom tuloy ako.
Lagi ka namang gutom, kuya.
Team, full spread attack. Cruiser gun! Fire! Skyrocket! Fire! Tibay nitong hito na to ah. Guys, parang hindi natin siya kaya i-damage. Re-engaging. Second wave attack. Execute!
Hina nung unang peace fighter. Umawi yung mga Bosanian sa buwisit na to.
Evasive maneuvers! Tara, team, let's be together. Let's fight team!
Naghahanda na magbuo ang Voltes 5. Ito na ang pinakahinihintay nating sandali. Zul! Ngayon na!
Masusunod, Prinsipe Santos!
Ano nangyari?
Team, Little John report.
Ayaw mag-engage ng bolt-in sequence natin.
Team, try to regain controls of your ship.
Re-engage your engines!
Engine re-engaging!
Tagumpay! atin ang tagumpay. Sa wakas, natalo natin ang kampyon ng planeta. Yeva! Buzan Najmi Imperium.
What the heck was that? Subukan ulit natin. Let's vote in! Oh! Oh!
What happened?
Doc, we have a problem. Hindi ko kami makapag-vault in. We tried it twice na.
Kuya, ano ang gagawin natin? What's your plan of action?
Kung hindi gagana yung electromagnetic force natin, matatalo talaga tayo.
Sa wakas, nasa akin ang huling halakhak. Zul, wasakin mo ang Voltes 5.
Namasuka! Huwag mo lang patagalin. Pasukahin mo na!
Team! Back to base! Back to base!
Roger!
No, Dr. Smith. Delay that order. Hindi ho kami babalik dyan.
Hindi niyo matatalo ang Beast Fighter nang hindi pa kayo nakapag-vault in!
No, Dr. Smith, kung babalik ho kami dyan, mas marami hong masasaktan sa camp. Or worse, baka mamatay pa yung mga tao. I have a duty to perform. Okay? Kayo, team, sige. Kung gusto yung bumalik, magpapaiwan ako dito.
Kuya, hindi. Samahan kita.
Pati ako, kuya. Walang iwanan.
Ako rin. Hindi kita iiwan, Steve.
Attention, Colonel. Please report it. Attention,
Richard,
Colonel Garcia.
bakit hindi makapag-volte ng team?
Commander, na-compromise na ang electromagnetic force. This is now the right time na magsama-sama ang buong mundo to fight together. We are faced with a tough enemy. Pero pwede pa rin tayo manalo. Kausapin mo yung buong mundo na mag-unite tayo, we fight together, and we will win.
I will do my best. God save us all.
Thank you, Commander.
Team, here's my plan. Targetin natin yung aparato sa head niya. Feeling ko, doon ang gagaling yung anti-electromagnetic wave na yun. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Maximum thrusters! He's right behind us!
Alert! The Voltes team is non-responsive. Alert!
Natalo ko rin sila. Panalo ang impensyon mo, Zul.
Voltes team!
Doctor, talo na ba tayo at ang Voltes team?
No. Engage autopilot protocol. Bring them back to base.
Yes, Doctor!
Incoming flight to CDF. Clear all runway.
Alert! Alert! Wake up, little John! Little John! Gising! 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 Whoa!
Prinsipe Zardos. Tingnan mo. Umaandar muli at lumilikas na ang kanilang mga sasakyan.
Tiyak kong babalik na sila sa kanilang kampo.
Zul, pasundan mo ang Voltes 5 kay Namasuka. Bilisan mo ang pagwasak sa kanila para makapagdiwang na tayo.
Prinsipe Zardos, kailangan mo nang bumalik na Mazuka para maglikom ng lakas at enerhiya para makaatake ulit.
Buti nag-work ang autopilot protocol. Sergeant Major,
Incoming flight to CDF.
Yes, Doctor.
bring the Voltes team sa medical bay.
Attention to the Chief Medical Officer. Please report to the medical bay.
Dr. Smith, Dr. Alonso here. The team is alright. Wala silang major injuries, only minor bruises and burns. They were just pretty shook up.
That's good. Please take good care of them. Bantayan mabuti at wag na wag nyo silang papalabasin. If you have to strap them down, please do it. Thank you, Doctor.
Yes, Doctor. Nurse Harvey, patingin ako ng latest release nila.
Chief, engage emergency response CVF engineering. Now, repair ang Volt machines immediately, please.
Repairs ongoing, Doctor.
That's good then. Thank you.
Report to 11. Engineering report to 11.
Dr. Smith, proximity alert. May na-pick up na naman ng radar. Mukhang paparating na naman ng mga Bozanians.
Activate shield barrier.
Dr. Smith, defense protocols engaged.
Battle stations.
Red alert. All crews to battle station. Red alert. All crews to battle station.
Team, this is Ultra Marcon, an auxiliary ultra electromagnetic generator. Designed by Dr. Armstrong.
Kakaiba talaga si Papa. Napakatalino niya. Sa kanya po talaga ako nagmana, no? Makakabit po ba natin ito sa Voltes robot?
Theoretically, it should. Ned designed this during the time he was here. But unfortunately, it wasn't tested, so it's risky. We don't have any more time. At ito na yung huling bala natin.
We'll take our chances, Dr. Smith.
just want to make this clear. If anything goes wrong, pwede niyo itong kamatay.
Dr. Smith, lahat ho tayo mamamatay dito kung hindi natin yan susubukan.
Tama si Steve. Kailangan na natin gamitin yung Ultramarcon.
Then let's go back to the fight. To your launch conveyors.
Yes, Dr. Smith.
Godspeed.
Let's go, team.
Voltes team, we are ready now. Launch your Volt machines.
Team, isa na ata ito sa mga pinakamahirap nating laban. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na proud ako sa bawat isa sa inyo for refusing to abandon me. Thank you. Tama na. Drama ko na masyado. Layunan natin tong Beast Fighter na to sa kat. Follow my lead.
Tingnan mo, John Fred. Naayos na nila muli ang mga makina ni Voltes 5.
Ngunit akala ko'y nawasak na yun ang ating Beast Fighter.
Kansubaita. Ang lakas ng loob nila, hindi naman mabubuo si Voltes 5. Zul, huwag mong papatakasin ang Voltes 5. Siguraduhin mo bago matapos ang araw na ito. Mawawasak mo silang lahat.
Masusunod, Prinsipe. Ito na.
Evasive maneuvers!
Mark, okay ka lang?
Mark, are you okay?
My arm got hurt.
We have only one shot at this. Hindi tayo pwede magkamali. Kung hindi, tayo mismo makapatay sa Voltes team. Deploy Ultramarcon. Now. Team, vote in now.
Alright, team. You heard the doctor. Be formation now!
Kuya, sigurado ka ba na makakapag-vote in na tayo?
Oo nga. Alam naman natin na pipigilan tayo niyang Beast Fighter na yan.
Pero kailangan natin to gawin para magamit ni Dr. Smith ang Ultramarcon.
Yes, Jamie. There's only one way to find out. Let's go, team! Let's vote in!
Here it comes, guys.
Ultramarcon, fire!
quit. The Ultramarcon is useless.
Dr. Smith! Come in! Dr. Smith! Dr. Smith, nag-overload yung system. Disable na yung Ultramarcon.
Hindi pwedeng hindi yan mag-work. Hindi tayo pwedeng patalo.
Copy that, Doctor. Team, there's something happening.
Alam ko na ang nangyayari. Nire-reverse ng Ultramarcon ang energy ng Beast Fighter. Kaya pwede rin natin yung gawin. Team, i-reverse natin ang polarity levels. Follow my lead, now!
Yes, boss.
Dr. Smith, look.
Nice.
Napasabog natin ang counter weapon niya.
Let's go back to the command center.
Copy, Doctor.
Make way!
47. Medical team, report to 7.
Magpasalamat tayo at may iniwan sa atin ang father ninyo. Napakalaking utang na loob natin sa kanya to. Now, finish your mission at talunin ang Beast Fighter!
Alright, team. Let's vote! Dr. Smith! Nagawa natin! Nakapag-vault din tayo!
Kulang yaka talagang hayop kang hito ka. Pinahirapan mo kami. Wala ka. Gagawin kitang catfish salad!
Steve, let's chop him up.
Alright.
Bumasuka! Kulang.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Whoa!
Yes! Wow! Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Dok, natalo natin yung Beast Fighter! Team, great job! Ano? Team, dinner's on me! Ulam, inihaw na hito.
Game ako dyan, Big Bird!
Sabi mo yan, Big Bird, ha? Alright, team. Ano yung gagawin? Let's bust her home!